In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or adjust the balance in a credit card account in QuickBooks Online. To begin, let's navigate to the Transactions section, which you can find on the left panel of your QuickBooks Online interface. This is where all the financial action happens. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the Chart of Accounts tab. The Chart of Accounts is essentially a comprehensive list of all the accounts your business manages, including bank accounts, credit cards, income, and expense categories. It's crucial to understand how to navigate this area, as it serves as the backbone of your bookkeeping in QuickBooks. Let's say we want to find a specific credit card account to adjust its balance. You can do this easily by using the search bar located at the top. Type in the name of the credit card account you wish to work with. This feature is incredibly helpful for quickly locating the account amidst what could be a lengthy list. Once you've found the right credit card account, the next step is to click on View Register. This will open up a detailed list of all transactions associated with the account. Each transaction plays a role in shaping your account's balance, providing a clear historical record of activities. On the right side of this register, you'll see the running balance for this account. The running balance allows you to understand how each transaction affects the overall account balance over time. Now, you have two options. You can either adjust an existing transaction or add a new one to modify the account balance. If you need to edit a previously entered transaction, simply click on it to make the necessary changes. But if you're looking to add a fresh transaction, you'll want to click Add CC Expense at the top left of the register. When adding a new transaction, you'll start by selecting the payee. Identifying the payee correctly is crucial, as it helps ensure that your records are precise and verifiable. Next, you'll choose the account for this particular expense. This part specifies where the funds are coming from or going to, giving clearer insights into cash flow. Don't forget, you can also add memos to your transactions. Memos are particularly useful if you need to include additional context or details about why the transaction occurred, providing a helpful reference for future audits or reviews. Lastly, you'll input the amount, which is essential for affecting the account's balance. Entering a charge amount will increase the ending balance of the credit card, whereas entering a payment will decrease it. This final step is critical in maintaining accurate financial records. And there you have it. That's all you need to do to add or adjust the balance in a credit card account within QuickBooks Online. With practice, these steps will become second nature, making your financial management smoother and more efficient.